Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 252 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is about returning to your safe space, a place of comfort and peace that lives within you. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Close your eyes and imagine a space where you feel completely safe. It could be a room, a spot in nature, or simply a warm light surrounding you. Notice how it feels to be here, supported, calm, and at ease. This is your space. You can return anytime. Now, say to yourself, I am safe in this moment. Peace surrounds me, and I can always return to my safe space. Breathe into this sense of comfort. Let it settle deep within you. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the present and carry this safe space inside you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.